Hi, superstars. Okay, so today we'll be talking about very profitable business ideas for this year. You can start and make very good money from it. It is very lucrative and you are going to make money from it. So, number one on my list is food supply business. My superstars, where everyone eats food. Food is very, very essential. So no matter what, people must eat food. They'll say there's no money, there's no money, there's no money. At the end of the day, we must eat food to survive, okay? There's this saying that they use what's in the stomach to handle what the head to think, okay? So food is very, very essential. So you can start a food supply business, okay, or a food business where you sell different foodstuffs like crayfish, okay, dried fish. All right, you can choose to go for seafoods like crayfish, dry fish. All right, or you can sell other foodstuffs like rice, beans in bags, and then make very, very good money from it. All right, my superstars. Number two on my list is content creation studio. When that time of the where so many people are into content creation, things have changed. People are now aware of the importance of creating content. Lots of people do it as a business. You create content and then you make money from it. Okay, so content creation is what's in vogue. So having a content creation studio makes people come and use your studio and then create their content. So many people don't have beautiful spaces to make their videos. So if you have a space that is well decorated, there's light, there's good materials for them to display their goods and advertise, then you can make money from it. All right, my superstars, all they have to do is charge them after 30 minutes, 1 hour, you charge them and then you make your money. Okay, so number three is ready to wear clothes. Lots of people are into ready to wear clothes right now. People no longer stress with tailors. All they do is go, they see a cloth they like, they try it on, it fits perfectly, they pay, and off they go. Okay, so I've done a full video on how to start a ready to wear food clothes business, okay, a ready to wear clothes business where I broke down the cost and everything you need to know about it. I'll leave the link in the description box. Please go and check it out. All right, my superstars. Next on the list is bag business. My superstars, lots of ladies, no matter how many bags they have, they want that bag that matches with that shoe, with that clothes. Okay, so there's a market for bags. I know of a lady who has made lots and lots of millions from selling thrift bags, not even new bags, thrift bags. Okay, and there's another person that also sells new bags, and they're making very, very good money from it. So all you have to do is find out where you can get your supplier, someone who supplies you with these bags, or where you can buy them, and then you advertise it and then you make money. All right, my superstars. Next on the list is perfumes. So be it you're selling designers perfumes or you are making your perfume. Hope you know you can make your perfume from perfume oil. You add a few things and then make your own perfume at home. All right. Okay, if you'd love to know how to make your perfume at home, please let me know in the comment section and I will make a full video on how to make your perfume at home. Okay, so you can choose to sell designer perfumes or you can make your perfume at home and then you package it into containers and then you sell it and you make money. All right. So, my superstars, these are very, very easy, profitable business ideas you can start this year. And the great thing about it is that you need little capital to start these businesses. You can start with 50,000 naira and then you go from there. You can start with 10,000 naira, like perfume, the perfume said you can make at home. You can start with 10,000 naira and then go from there. If you want to go into designers perfume, you may need more money to get started. But these are businesses that are very, very lucrative, very, very profitable. And if you start them this year, you will make money. Alright, my superstars, have you liked this video? Please hit the like button. Thank you, my superstars. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. Okay, thank you for watching, my superstars. Till our next video, always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.